Welcome to my channel. Oh my god. Finally leaving this fucking town. Okay, so I am currently getting out of Perth and going for a much needed trip down south. I feel like a piece of shit. I've had so much, like, I'm so emotionally drained, it's not even funny, and I haven't been to the forest in way too long by my standards, and that's probably why I'm feeling so shit. Hello. To the river, I will come to your river, wash my soul, carry away my old leaves, let me baptize my soul with the help of your water, my ego and my blame, let me baptize my soul with the help of your water, those old means, so ashamed, let the river take them, river, drown them. Oshun de alawete, Pamela Oshunu, oh Lord, hallelujah, la femo yo. It's very rare that I show people what I get up to when I'm in the forest, because I can't really show a lot of it. Take me to outer space.
She takes me back to the place I was born. She takes me to the city lights in the evening. She tells me fucking stuff I wanna know. I'm really falling. I wanna see her.
Obviously gets a lot of action.
What did I do to deserve this?
Nearly crashed.
I wanna see her falling when he takes me back to the place I was born. She takes me through the city lights in the evening.
Do a spin. Yeah, they do. I love the top.
I was born, doesn't take me to the beach side. Doesn't take my stuff, doesn't need to put up a show. 'Cause I'm baked in the morning and I didn't read the phone. She doesn't have.
So we're just going to a friend's gig.
I'm a carrot.
I'm a cowboy, so I mean.
I always look in the viewfinder. I'm not a YouTuber, in case you can tell.
I still am a YouTuber and I always look in the viewfinder. I love you to bits.
Freya's nearly 20, everyone, so say happy birthday or you're gonna get a yeehaw.
Oh my god.
Just hanging out.
Yes. It's a vibe. It's a real
We made strawberry daiquiris.
And paper straws.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Lovely. Good evening. Set it up.
About to hear the most sensual music in the world. Why don't we get more comfortable before we start, shall we? Dance for me now, mon amour.
Somewhere on a hill, paint the trees and daffodils, and we both in the skies. Tell me who I have to be to gain some reciprocity. See, no one loves you more than me, and no one ever will. No matter how I think we grow, you always seem to let me know it ain't working, it ain't working. And when I try to walk away, you'd hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah.
Hey Freya! Thank you, love. Oh, they're so pretty! Just went to the beach. I'm so keen to see what the hell is going on. I am so bad with surprises. Just got coffee. Now we're going somewhere secret. I hate not knowing, man. I'm like, just tell me.
Right away.
Just arrived at the destination. Monument Hill? What are we doing here? I don't know!
I'm reeling, falling. I wanna see her all in and reasons falling. Oh, I wanna leave here and get her for myself. For myself. For myself.
Yeah.
Hello! Nice feet. I'm zooming in on
I'm
them.
so jealous. I want to come down south.
I was so unenthusiastic!
I'm a sick fuck, I like the quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like the quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like the quick fuck. I like my dick sucked. I buy you a sick truck, I buy you some new tits.
Ride the wave, bro.
Right away, bro. Didn't I say that yesterday? I totally said that yesterday.
No, we said that yesterday.
Can you feel the love tonight?
I reckon Jackson.
It can be us, you. Oh my god. He's got the funniest little eyes. If you zoom in, you can stay with him longer. He looks so grumpy. He's like, put me down, you little bitch. Oh, sorry.
I'll drink it.
And 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Freya! Happy birthday to you!
I'm gonna blow up like the World Trade.
Oh my god, are you getting something?
Sardines for dinner.
A vision, a vision.
Sardines for dinner.
Oh my god, Freya, silly salmon! Oh, it's with your boobs out! Oh my god. Work this. Right! Oh, that's how you zoom in.
I don't know if you guys know this, but I can't swim.
bug into my brain. It goes a bang, bang, bang to the
I have so much boogers.
So many.
Can we do this more often? I'm gonna go to Green's Pool like every time. I loved that place.
I like smoking.
Crash, Valium would have helped that bitch. She said, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side.
I'll do the little like cherries on your nipples or something. Hey on me. I can't see anything.